Hi! Now I'm gonna teach you how to use ChatGPT or download ChatGPT on your iPhone. So first things first, I want you to open any browser that you have. I'm using Safari here. And please take note that you should only use this link or search a combination. It's chat.openai.com. Because if you just input ChatGPT here on Google and hit search, you're gonna have a first result that has the introducing ChatGPT OpenAI. Please do not click this. This is a blog. I want you to just look for chat.openai.com. It will directly lead you to this platform right here. That being said, just click on login or sign up if you have an account. But I'm going to use login and I'm just going to use my Google because I don't want to sign up an account here. You can choose either one. Anyway, once we're here, if this is your first time using it on your Google, it will just ask you a few questions like your birthday, some personal questions, and please take note, ChatGPT is still on the beta test, so they're recording everything that we've input here, so they can further improve their service. Anyway, first things first, I want you to look on the three lines on top. To make sure we're logged in, you need to find log out over here. I'm gonna highlight it so you can see it. Perfect. Now once we're here, we're logged in. I want you to click on the middle part of your phone, the one that has an arrow pointing up. Should be this one. From here, I want you to add ChatGPT using your home screen, because technically we cannot download or ChatGPT doesn't have an app yet on the Play Store or App Store. This is the way that we can use it on your phone to be downloaded. Anyway, from here it has a icon already. Just put anything you want here. I'm gonna just ChatGPT. Just click on add. And from here, as you can see guys, I have a shortcut added on my iPhone for ChatGPT. It has the same purpose as the downloaded app. Just a shortcut here because we don't have ChatGPT yet on our iPhone or any phones for that matter. Anyway, that's how you download ChatGPT on your phone. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.